my name is Jacob, and today I'll be teaching you how to replace the battery in your O2EII Pro. The first thing you'll need is a 9V alkaline PP3 battery. Once you've got this, all you need to do is unscrew the 4 slot screws on the face of the O2EII Pro. Once you've done this, remove the face and disconnect the battery plug from the battery. Insert the new battery into the battery plug. This can only go one way. Refit the battery into the O2EII. Now all that's left to do is to screw the 4 slot screws back into the face of the O2EII.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have.